Hello, this is your online assistant, and today I will show you a quick guide on how to do a test order for your products inside Shopify. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Settings. Then you want to click on Payments. If you haven't added a payment provider yet, click on Choose a Provider. Let's click on the option Ownaway Direct as an example. And once you have installed a payment provider onto your store, you will be greeted with this page. Now scroll down until you see this section. And basically, activate the test mode option by checking this little box. Click on Activate to save the changes. If you see this message popping up, you're good to go and every step you made is correct. Good job. So to now actually test an order, go to your actual store and click on any random product that you have. By the way, I made a video about how to add products in Shopify. Feel free to check it out if you need to. Click on Checkout. Right here, type in your info. But when it comes to the card info, Shopify made it easy for us to use random card numbers and security codes. You can check out this article from their blog, and you can copy the card number and paste it here. As for the expiration dates and name on card, etc., you can just type in whatever you have in mind. And because we're on test mode, Shopify will allow us to place the order so we can pretty much test if our store is functional or not. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.